Are you still drawing eyebrows like this? I'm gonna show you how to draw like this. So watch this video. Hi, I'm Ida, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 tips for drawing realistic eyebrows. So let's get started. 1. Don't draw regular lines. You should draw lines that are thin in both ends and thick in the middle. To do this, you should reduce your hand pressure at the beginning and end of the line and increase your hand pressure in the middle of the line. Try to draw these lines in different directions: left to right, right to left, up to down, and down to up. And curved lines. 2. Don't draw lines with the same length. You should draw long lines for some parts of eyebrow and short lines for some other parts. 3. Don't draw lines with the same thickness. Some parts of eyebrow have thick hair, but some parts have thin hair, like the head of the eyebrow. You should notice that and draw thinner lines for this part. 4. Don't draw parallel lines. Instead, draw a few lines in a group and draw some overlapping lines. The last but not the least, don't draw lines in one direction. Draw lines from down to up for the head or the front of the eyebrow. Draw lines from up to down for the tail. And draw lines from inside of the eyebrow to the outside for under the arc. And do the same for upside of the peak. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy drawing.